Welcome to Fix Your App. Today, we're diving into how to send a photo to someone on Instagram. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram apps. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on the messages icon located at the upper right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to direct communication with your friends and followers. Step 3. Next, you'll want to find the person you wish to share a photo with. Simply tap on their profile picture to open up a conversation. Step 4. Tap on the message box at the downside corner. Step 5. Now click on the image icon at the right side down corner. Step 6. Here, you can browse through your images and select the perfect photo to share. Once you've made your choice, press on the photo and then look for the send button. Tap it and off goes your photo. Congratulations! You've just sent a photo to someone on Instagram. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, and you will see the next video.